Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. I don't know what I'm supposed to be making today. What we have over here? We have some strawberries, we have some white chocolate, we have some dark chocolate, we got some vanilla extract, we got some powdered sugar, we got some cream cheese, oh, and a graham crackers. What can you make with all these things? Wow, let me think. Oh, I think we can make cream cheese cake, strawberry stuffed, and strawberries dipped in the chocolate. So let's make this strawberry chocolate coated strawberries with the cream cheese cake stuff in there. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and grind some of the biscuits. Okay, I grind graham crackers. Now we are gonna mix a little bit of powdered sugar and cream cheese. I'm not putting too much because we don't need too much sugar. It's up to you how much you use because everybody is different. Some people like very sweet. We are not very sweet people. We are salty people. We like salty. That's it. Vanilla extract and powdered sugar. I need a little bit of milk. I think it's getting a little too dry. I'm going to put a little bit of heavy whipping cream in there. 1 spoon to just make it a little softer. Okay, it's kind of soft but a little bit dry. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of milk in there. Oh, so sweet. Okay, thank you. Oh, it's not even open. It's a heavy whipping cream. You don't need too much, just to make it wet. You use a little bit. 1 spoon. Yep, that's enough. A bit more. It's a little dry still. I don't want to put it in too much, but it's enough. Okay, this is ready. We can mix a little bit of crackers, graham cracker powder. So it's going to be cheesecake. That's why you make cheesecake. With the graham cracker crust in the bottom, then you put the cheese on the top. So it's going to make cream cheese. Exactly same ingredients goes in the cheesecake. So now we are making a cheesecake over here. We're going to stuff it in the strawberries and coat it with the chocolate. Ooh, wow. I think every person likes this. Kids, adults, older peoples, everyone likes this. This is a good dessert. Okay. It's got thicker again. Let me add a little bit more. Okay, don't want to make too liquidy. So, okay, this is ready. So now I put it in here. It's going to be easy to stuff it inside. Yep. Put the cream cheese cake. We'll stuff it in here. You can use piping bags and piping tips of cake decorating piping bag, or maybe if you have a Ziploc bag, that's fine too. If you don't have anything, you just take the Ziploc bag and put it in there, make it little holes. But I like to collect all kind of gadgets. That's kind of my hobby. Okay, our cream cheese cake is ready to stuff it in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and melt chocolates. You can melt chocolate in the double boiler, like you can put the water in the pan, boil the water, then you can put the little small bowl in there and just steam it. So it's gonna be melted chocolate, but I'm gonna melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds, then probably 30 more seconds. So these are the white chocolates. I'm gonna put some. Another bowl, I'm gonna put some dark chocolates. Melting chocolates. So I'm gonna go ahead and melt these chocolates. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, let me show you how to coat the strawberries. You just take this and remove this from the top. If you're not stuffing, you just leave it like this and stuff it in the chocolate. But since you're doing this, you take a knife and do like this, remove it from the middle, and see, you got a nice hole in there. So you can stuff your strawberries and cream cheese in there. Okay. For me, I have strawberry core, little small tool over here. I'll put this in there. I like to collect tools. See? So easy and nice to make it. It's fast. It goes very fast. Okay friends, we will be dipping them in chocolate. I put it in the cups because it's going to be easy to dip it. See, if you have an excess, you can just remove it. Put it in there like that. Okay friends, our strawberries are cold and they were firm, so we'll fill up with the cream cheese inside. And you can put a little bit of graham crackers on top of it. Voila! Made 1 or 2 white ones, not too many. Came out. Okay friends, our chocolate coated strawberries filled with the cream cheese cake, they're ready to eat. Come on, come have some. There's a lot of them. Everybody can come on and eat. Okay, if you like my recipes, please like, share, subscribe. Come on guys. guys, support my channel by subscribing. It's not gonna cost anything. It's for free. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.